Yeah, yeah. Do you really want to go out there, doggy? Look at that. It's a howling, whatever you call that, blizzard. Well, I guess we'll go down to the beach and have a look down there and see. I'll catch up with you down there. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see that, but it sure is a howling blizzard out here today. Anyway, I'll carry on. Don't know what happened to the dog. He doesn't care. He's down low. There he comes. Out there somewhere. Okay. Check in later. Yeah, it's windy and snowy and blustery and all that kind of stuff out here today. Anyway, not so bad in the shelter here. Not so great out around there. And Buster, he doesn't care. Onward and onward. Yeah, there. A little bit of snow happening. I'm just about to go out onto the beach here, but let's just see if I can turn this around. Liable to get pretty windy noise down here. Because it's a bit of a, in the woods it's kind of sheltered, right? Once you get out here, no shelter left. And the waves are coming in. Don't know if you can see all that because it's pretty, there's a good storm brewing. And it's not even, the big wind hasn't even come yet. That doesn't come until 2 o'clock this afternoon or so. Anyway, yeah, it's a wavy day out here today. I'll carry on, going back up. Anyway, that's January 10th. Yesterday was January 9th and it was a lovely day. Today, not so nice. I gotta get home and get warmed up. Yeah, it's definitely not beach weather today. So all the tracks that I put down on the way down are gone. And it's getting more of a whiteout. Not a real whiteout yet. Anyway, that's all for this one. I'll see you later.